Ready to unlock the superpower combo of Airtable and Makem for ultimate automation. Let's jump straight into Makem. Click Create a new scenario. This is where the magic happens. Search for Airtable in the module selection and click on it. Airtable will be our trigger, so select it. Choose Watch Records. This will start the automation when a new record is created or updated in your Airtable base. Now, click Add to connect your Airtable account. You'll be redirected to Airtable to grant Makem access. Click Grant Access to authorize the connection. Back in Makem, select your desired Airtable base and table from the drop-down menus. Be sure to select the correct table. Now, let's add an action. You can choose from hundreds of apps. For this example, let's choose Google Sheets and choose the Add a Raw action. Time to map the data. Drag and drop the fields from your Airtable record into the corresponding columns in your Google Sheet. Click Run once to test your scenario. You should see a new row added to your Google Sheet with the data from your Airtable record. Finally, turn on the scheduling to activate your scenario. Now, every time a record is created or updated in your Airtable base, the data will automatically be added to your Google Sheet. Enjoy.